on Interstate 5 northbound, just outside of Albany, Oregon, about a mile south of exit 238, damaged guardrail. This guardrail was impacted sometime yesterday. Looks like it may have malfunctioned. The rail started to feed through this SKT head, and looks like for some reason it locked up and almost sheared off. So it's damaged through post 2. Looks like it was not a fatal, because there are no markings that you would expect to see. But 2, again, Oregon Department of Transportation's credit, looks like they immediately put a truck-mounted attenuator with a Scorpion 2 on the back of it. That has been parked there. So that's the good news. But again, to all Department of Transportations in every state, we need faster repairs on these guardrails. We can start by getting our contractors to have replacement parts on inventory, as well as the Department of Transportation's to have the replacement parts on inventory. Again, we're at Oregon, Interstate 5 North, just outside of Albany, Oregon.